What's up, guys? James Fred here with another episode of Find Us Friday. You know what it is, man. I'm going to list 10 kids that are missing right now, that are currently missing, and we need to find these kids, all right? So I'm not even going to hesitate. What I will say, though, is that I want you guys, man, to share this video out, man. Share the other videos. We need to find these kids. I think sometimes we get so caught up in our own lives that we seem to forget that there are kids that are missing, man. There are kids that need to come home, man. Their parents don't know where they at, or their loved ones don't know where they at, man. So we need to help out, all right? So, all right, let me just get going here. All right, so the first person is Anthony Beach. He has been missing since September 26th of 2019 from Chesapeake, Virginia. The next person is Daylon Barr, missing since November 23rd, 2019, from Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Oh man, that just reminds me of one of my favorite shows, Family Guy. If you watch Family Guy, man, y'all know what Pawtucket is. I ain't even got to say it. All right. Next one is Eric Barnes. He is missing from Little Rock, Arkansas, since August 18th of 2019. Next person is Jaden Bede or Beatty. Y'all know me, man. I might mess up these names, but y'all see it on the screen. He's been missing since November 20th, 2019 from Decatur, Georgia. Next one is Javion Barlow, missing since July 15th, 2019 from Chicago, Illinois. That's a baby, y'all. Now, this says that there's a couple other kids here that were with him, India Round, and that's Ariel Barlow. It says Javion and India were last seen on July 15th, 2019. They might be in the company of their mother, Ariel Barlow. They may still be in the local area. Ariel Barlow, she may have dyed her hair blonde or red. Now listen, just because we see that these kids are with a parent or whatever does not mean that they're safe. We don't know the conditions. We don't know the situation. They may not supposed to be with their mother. I don't know. But all I know is that they've been reported missing. So obviously something is not right. So I want you guys to look at this stuff and make sure that we take heed and don't drop our guard down just because we say, oh, they're with their mother, okay? All right. The next one is Kevin Barthrop. He's been missing since June 12th, 1999 from Elizabeth, New Jersey. This one, let's see here. The photo shows what he would look like at age 22 today. It also says that foul play may be suspected. You know, we all know what that means. It means they may think that he's already deceased. But, man, listen, it doesn't matter. Keep your eyes open. If you're in that area, where was he missing from? From Elizabeth, New Jersey. If you're up in that area, you know, pay attention, look at the picture, and just keep your eyes open regardless. The next one is Leon Bell. He's been missing since September 9th of 2002 from Grand Prairie, Texas. And of course, you see the age regress photo there. He'd be 31 today. Excuse me, not today, but he'd be 31 now. The next person is Savario Bates, missing since September 21st, 2019, from Memphis, Tennessee. Let's see here. Was also with a couple of people, Sarah Jones and Sandra Bates. This situation right here, I know what it may look like to you guys. Look like maybe three kids got together and ran away. Maybe, maybe not. Um, Once again, let's not let our guard down just because we may think something different. I do agree everything is not human trafficking or sex trafficking or something like that, but we definitely, man, need to make sure that we stay diligent and don't let our guard down just because we have our own pre-assumptions about things. The next is Stephen Beard. He's been missing since June 2nd of 2001 from Baltimore, Maryland. Uh, Another one that has an age progression photo there. He'd be 27 right now. And the last one for tonight is Tyshawn Barnes, missing since October 20th, 2019 from Columbus, Ohio. All right, guys. You know what it is, man. We got to make sure we get this video out. We got to make sure we share these kids' pictures and their information out all over the place. Don't wait till stuff like this hits home before we decide that we want to take some action. I decided to do this. I got the idea from another YouTuber who was doing a missing persons thing. And I decided to do this because I truly believe, and there is a fact that black children are not represented well in the media when they come up missing. So I felt like that this would be a perfect opportunity for me to use this platform to be able to put this information out there so we all can have it, okay? If there's nobody missing that you know, fine. If there are parents out there, just think about if one of your children were missing and you had no idea where they were. It's one thing to have a child that is deceased. At least you know that that child is no longer suffering. Man, a lot of these people don't know what their children are going through right now. We don't know. We don't know if they're being tortured. We don't know if they've been sold into something. We don't know. And that not knowing can drive somebody insane, okay? So let's do what we can, man. Help out where we can. I want you guys to like and subscribe to this channel. I'm doing stuff like this along with some other stuff that I'm doing, my normal short films and little things like that. But this is something, man, content with a purpose. This is something that we definitely need to be paying attention to, all right? You guys have a blessed day, and I will see you next time.